Hey friends, if you wish to run the Chrome browser in incognito or safe mode, then please watch this video. Now we have the Chrome browser here. To open the incognito mode, simply click on these three dots at the top right corner and select the new incognito mode. Now read this very carefully that others who don't use this device won't see your activity, so you can browse privately, but it does not change the way the data is collected by the websites, and it is not hidden from your internet service provider either. Okay, so it is still visible to your employer and so on, and the only things which are not saved are the browsing data and cookies and site data. But yes, your internet service provider and your employer can still check everything, and you can block third-party cookies, other they are blocked by default. Now another way to open this is to press Control Shift plus N. This is the shortcut. I'll show you here. Control plus Shift plus N. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.